Hi guys, and welcome to Beauty Cakes, where we talk about all things beauty and curls. My name is Debbie. For today's video, we are going to be doing the Allure unboxing for the month of June. I know I'm late, but this box literally takes forever to get here. I feel like it literally comes at the end of the month, and it drives me crazy because it is one of my most favorite boxes. And this month, or last month's box, was a Kat Von D box, so they partnered together, and so that's why the box is black. It's usually red. So I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right into it. So again, the box is black, and I thought that was really cute. These boxes are really like solid. Like, this makes a good gift box, so I keep them. And then it also has like gold paper in here, and I have opened it, but I haven't used anything or touched anything because I was saving it for this video. And I've been having really bad makeup days, and we're also in my living room, and life's just been crazy. So good thing I had pre-recorded so that I could upload at least once a week. But yeah, so enough chit chat. But this is the little pamphlet that comes inside the box, and this basically lets you know everything that is inside the box and where you can get it. And sometimes it even has like codes to where you can get a certain like a discount off of your purchase or something. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start. I believe that everyone got this item right here. It's like a little Kat Von D mirror. Just looks like that. It's just a little black mirror, which I think is cute to like put in your bag or something. Then next I have this transforming walnut scrub, and it looks like it's a full size. That's what it looks like. And what is this supposed to do? It's a facial scrub exfoliant, and honestly, it doesn't really smell like anything, but I'm probably gonna pass on this. I mean, I'm sure it's good, but I'm like have really sensitive skin, and the beads in this, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it, are like extremely big, and that is just going to irritate my skin really bad. The scrub that I use now, the beads are like very tiny, so that one doesn't really hurt my skin, but I don't know. I might give it a shot. We'll see, but I don't know, because like I said, my skin gets irritated very easily. The next thing I got is the Kat Von D tattoo liner, which I already use and I love. And then next I have, I guess this is a Studded Kiss cream lipstick, and this is in the color Double Dare, and it's a mini. Looks like that. And then that's the color. Let me go ahead and swatch it. I love lipstick minis. I love anything that's mini and comes in a full size too. Packaging is adorable, and this looks like a good nude, like not too pink. It's kind of like a, I don't know how to explain it. It's like not too pink, but also leans towards kind of reddish. I don't know, but it's a really pretty nude. And then the last thing that's in here is the Everlasting lip liner, and I believe this is a full size, and it just comes like that. And let's go ahead and open it and swatch it. Ooh, so this is in the color Lolita, which I have heard is very popular, and I'm just gonna swatch it. So it's a lot like mauvier. This one's a lot more pinker, but I think that it would still go together. But I really like that. I might use that for all over the lip. I don't really use lip liners a lot, but it's always nice to have one, right? And it's from Kat Von D, so I know these things are expensive. So that is everything that I got in my June box from Allure. I'm like really okay with it. Like, you know, I got 2 full-size products. I got Kat Von D products, which I know are pricey, so I'm like really excited. And again, like the packaging, the way that it came was so adorable. If you guys don't know, Allure is a $15 beauty subscription box. I will always leave the information to sign up if you want to in the description box below. Again, that is it for this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. My brain is like all over the place right now, if you can't tell. And of course, leave me a comment of what you got. If you like Allure, if you don't like Allure, If you got the same Kat Von D products, let me know, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.